rules nila, ano, instant na pumili.
Cowboy ang pagbalik. Ang gawang Cowboy. Pinasay number 20. 30 seconds to shoot. Stalling by 8.
Tapos pwede mag ano, palitan. 5 minutes.
Manikad. Asa number 2. Number 2, 3. Wala. Hindi naman ang rin. Out of pass to Cowboy. Stalling by number 2. Pasa, Manikad jumper. 27-23. Brooklyn, lead by Tuesday. Babawi sa press. Wala. Number 14. Number 2, passing na rin ito Manikad. Manikad in the middle. And there's a grabe na in without passport by Manikad. Nice D. Cowboy, ilabang tayo ni Medrano. Uy, parang full court press. Stalling by number 11, Manikad. Manikad, take pass, shoot. Grabe naman yun. Di yata naglaba ngayon. Gabi, si Mr. Manikad. Cowboy, attack. Shot. But there's a whistle. Sablay ako ng retro ni Cowboy. Sa third quarter, may tigisa kayo timeout. Pag di nyo nagamit, sa fourth quarter, pwede nyo gamitin. Medrano, long 3. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Pass to Cowboy. Kaya na. Cowboy, pass to Gokong. Wala sa drive. Medrano. Nice. Almost. Balik ang bola sa squad 40. Laruin nyo lang yung kan. Tumatakbang oras yan. Bahala kayo. Number 20. Aba na apelido. Pass to. Number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. To go off. And there's a whistle. Number 10 seconds. And there's another foul. Wicked by number 2. 13 foul Tuesday. First foul. Another 14 yan. 6 minutes sa ating third quarter. 2 free throws pala yan by number 12. Umatake. And there's a foul. Pass ball. Number 20, that is your third foul. Second team foul team. Wala pa, 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes pwede na mag-sap. Yung nakapaglaro na. Manikad, favorite shot. Shot, ribabay siya sa Nieta. Gandang pasa yan. Mahabol na ni Cowboy. Nakuha para ni Cowboy. Cowboy pass to go. Mayroon tayong foul. Napantay. Pass to Jesus. Jesus tumira, wala. 29-26. 4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Medrano for 3. Wala. Another for 3. Medrano. Another try for 3. Wala na. Naubos na. Another for 3. Medrano attack. Bahala na tira. Pero may nakulang pa.
Sayang.
Commissioner Soto from Wahel Food. There's a foul.
Pinulak.
Number 2 for 3. Tumama. Another 14. Ace. Wala po shot by 40. Wala. Ibang by number 11. Manikad. Grabe naman bowling. Ako na yung shot.
Hindi lang.
2 minutes sa ating third quarter. Inasa kay number 13. Pass, Manikad, jumper. Grabe naman kamay yan. Napunta ka kay Manikad. Number 0, back to Yotong Ardona. Underneath pass, masyadong malakas. 1 minute and 40. Number 2. pass to Jesus. To number 2, susubukan ni Sir Dres. Di, wala. Rebound by Arjona.
Your ball, Miguel, your ball.
Cowboy. Stop and shoot. 2 points by... Number 2. Uy, nice. Attack and shoot. Wala pa rin. Nice pass to Cowboy. Nice move. Nice up. Basket is good. 3 seconds.
Bilis oh.
Third time foul. Okay, fourth quarter na eh. Ibambay, yabot. 15 seconds sa game clock. Masyado malakas. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Bili ng bagong raketa.
Gusto nga. Paso Texon. Attack baseline number to Mama.
Baka sa likod sa may mga.
Ibambay number 17. As to number 3. 10 job. David diretso mo. Pinasa kay Neil. Raise up 2 points. Ayun, kampanya. 14 seconds to shoot. Ayan, take, shoot. There's a foul committed by Clean. And there's another foul committed by 10. Done. Ace. Kaya bawi siya. Sandali lang. 18 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass inside the middle to number 17. Stop it down. Nilinis pa ang ring. 2 points by number 17. 42-34. Kasabda, Exxon, pass to Lil. 4 minutes. Kasi move. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 3, spin move. Shoot, tumama. Ibang by Manikad. Manikad pass to Lian. Lian, attack. Walang bantay, 2 points. By Lian. Time out! Exxon, attack. Shoot. May foul tayo. Wala. Another po. Ibang by Manikad. Manikad. Gandang depensa ni Tekong. Stalin Bangil. Pinasa ang Texon. To number 0, Cowboy. Attack. Wala. Ibang by number 11. Umibilis ang laban mga kaibigan. Kalian. Mr. Islomo. Take. Spin. 14 seconds to shoot. To Manikad. Basic jumper. And at 3 seconds. Will attack in the middle and there is a whistle. The basket is good. Ito po, Neil. Asokya ang by Neil. 6 na lang kalamangan. Out-out ng squad 40. Napunta ang bola kay number 17. Binabagay ni Texon. Bola number 13 to number 17 in the middle. Nice pass to number 3 in the baseline. Nilayo pa. 2 minutes and 20 sa ating fourth quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Sampaga. Pasulian. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Jumper. Hindi tumama. 5 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Texon. And we have a foul. At nakapagbaba ng bola. Pinamagyan ni Arjola. And we have a foul committed by Medrano. 10 seconds to shoot. To Ace. Shot clock. Stolen by Phil. And there's a commit. 50 seconds sa ating game clock. Jambol tayo. 16 seconds. Stolen by Arjona. 35 seconds. Stolen by number 17. Scarlett. 31 seconds. May time out tayo, wala. Uy, grabe naman pala free throw to. My goodness. Wala time out. Ayun, may referee tayo dyan, oh. Pwede yun. Ngayon lang ako nakakita niya, na idol. Uy, pwede pala yun. Wala, di ba may Texon? Texon, driving all the way to the basket. Foul! Tunog na game block in the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 5. Shot clock. 5 seconds. Wala na tayong foul. Committed by number 1. Penalty tayo rin. 3 seconds.